Well, maybe you don't know it, but there's a lot of great money in your phone just waiting for you. Follow these steps and you'll see. So the first app that I'm going to show you today is called TapMob. So TapMob is the creator network, but you can only do this on your phone, okay? So you can get it on the App Store and on Google Play, and all of these can get you money really easy. So if you have an iPhone, you can just look for it on the App Store. Or if you have an Android device, there is an app on Google Play, as you can see. Now, this is all about some ads and some CPA offers. They will give you some offers to promote, and all you gotta do is to find some traffic for them. And the more traffic you find, the more money you will be able to get out of this. But of course, this is not like simply just sharing the link. You just have to make it a bit attractive. But I'm gonna show you what you can use. For example, you can just use Facebook in order to promote these offers. Because, for example, if you find something which is in make money online niche, you can just search for it. You can type in make money online, and when you hit enter, just head over to these groups over here and you will find a lot of traffic. Okay, just take a look at these numbers. Okay, 100,000 members. Just take a look at this one, 150K. So it is a really good traffic source when you look for it on Facebook. And to be honest, all of these people are gathering there for a reason. They want to make money online, just like you and me. You are just providing them with the right information. And of course, you got a commission for each one of those. But as I've told you, this app only works on your phone, and you just have to tap and you have to promote these offers. So for example, if someone, I don't know, installs a certain app, you will get $1.25. If someone installs this one, you get $2.25. And the offers are like that, okay? So you just have to promote these apps and certain offers. But if you don't like this, if you want to do this on your desktop device maybe, you can use a whole different strategy, which I'm going to show you now. You can, for example, use CPAgrip.com, which is a website, and this is giving you the opportunity to run many CPA offers. So when you come to CPAgrip.com, you can register real quick. You know what to do in here. Just make yourself an account. That's going to be quick. And when you log in inside of this, you will be landed in here where, first of all, you can see this chat window, and this serves as a payment proof, as you can see. So for example, this Vermari guy got $54 today, and you can be there as well. But just take a look at this guy, $8,000 all time. Of course, this won't come overnight, okay? For this, you need to have some patience and a lot more leads and clicks. But I'm going to explain everything to you so money making can be easy for you. So in order to start with this right away, you can just click on the offer tools, which is located here, and then you just go to my offers. When you click on my offers, you'll just have to choose the offer for yourself. Okay, so for example, you can see that there's a lottery involved, and whenever someone enters this lottery with their email address, you get $2 for it. They have a chance to win this like PayPal gift card for themselves, but you are most surely getting $2 per each one of those signups. And I love these kind of offers because they're so easy. Actually, people don't have to buy anything at all in order for you to get that commission. They don't have to, I don't know, go somewhere. They just have to enter the email address. So basically, they've got nothing to lose. And that's why a lot of people are going to do this. And that's why this strategy is such an easy job to do. And all we got to do is to find the traffic for it. And I have already shown you the way. So $2 is easily achievable per each click because people don't have anything to lose. So you can just copy this link, and then you can just go to Facebook groups and you can just paste that link inside. Now, there's a trick to make this more attractive. So when you go inside of these groups, you will see that people are posting pictures, okay? So this is really bad. So what this person is doing, it's bad. It's not a good post at all because there's just some text and like, who need $100 PayPal cash? Well, it's not a good post. But even then, guys, when you see this bad post, he has 500 comments, okay? He also has some shares. So this is really good, and you can see that a lot of people are commenting. So just try to imagine if you just make a good picture and you post that in here with your affiliate link. Okay, so that's going to be way more than 500 comments because you've made a better post. You just have to find a picture online, or you can just use canva.com. And for example, just take a look at this picture. This is all already done. So Canva is a free tool which will just help you to design anything at all. So you can just design certain picture, you can just drag and drop. This is how it works. Really, really user friendly. So you don't have to spend a lot of time on learning this tool. So earn money online, put something like that, put a little dollar sign, maybe put some money. You can see that if you just search for these elements, when you click on the elements and you just type in money, for example, you will get a lot of these money shots and a lot of money photos, and for example, a lot of these GIFs. And what you can do is you can just, you can just drag and drop this over here. So you can see this is how it looks like. Now you just click on it, you rescale it so it fits the whole screen. So now we have money all around our post. So you can see how this looks like. Okay, so that's a cool thing. So what you can do when you're satisfied with this one, you can just click on the share button and then click on the download button and then on download once again. And it's going to go over to your computer and we're done with this tab. Now, as I've told you, you can just post that on Facebook inside all of these groups, but of course you can use this website, which is called Imgur.com, and Imgur.com has a lot of these GIFs, as you can see, and people like to see these. And of course, just make yourself an account on this website and post that design that we have made on Canva.com. So what do you want to do? You just have to head over to New Post and click on the New Post and drop that image, that design in here. Now, what is important, just beware of this. When you click on the share and when you click on the download, I want you to select GIFs because GIFs is what is appropriate for Imgur. And now all that is left. You just have to give your post unique title, and of course you have to add that description. So for the title, you can just copy and paste. Go back to CPA Grip, grab this title of theirs, copy that, and paste that inside of here, and then of course just put that link. We have already put link below. Now we just have to go copy this link of us, and then we just paste that link in here. You can even, for example, shorten this link. It's going to look way better and a little bit nicer. Okay, so you can just use bit.ly or something like that. Bit.ly is maybe the most useful one. It's a really easy one. So you just copy paste that link, you shorten that one, and you get that link. Now you can freely delete this one. You can just paste the Bit.ly shortened link, and now you just have to click on to community, and a lot of people are going to see this, guys. A lot of people are going to click on it, and you are getting $2 per each one of those signups. So that's how easy it is. Of course, you don't have to stop on only one offer. Then you can just use all of these, and of course the more you do, the more chances you've got, and of course that's going to increase your profits. So just go and do it, guys. Take the action, and I'll catch you.